probably went over the mountain bike.
Oh,
Those mountain bike logs? Did you run over those?
yeah.
Those mountain bike logs, there's different paths. There's a mountain bike, and then there's just a lot path.
This is a long ways from your heart. Okay? So that means that you're going to be alright. Right? If it was on your heart, then I'd be a little worried. But it's tough, right?
You did it.
You did it. You did it.
You know what that means? You're ready for the next step, aren't you?
That means you're an aspiring lion. Okay?
You're a young lion. These are young
Grandpa lions.
grandpa lions. You're a young one. Still training. You can get your butt chewed. Whatever. Luke Mori is.
Come here, Luke.
I'm not going to leave you behind. But
He was walking.
Yeah, see?
Hey, I promise you, I ain't gonna leave you here, okay?
Hey.
But there ain't no walking. You tell me you're gonna quit, you're gonna give me a piggyback ride the whole way.
Good job, buddy.
Come on.
And these guys slow walk. Or slow run. Fast crosswalk, okay?
Pace yourself and breathe.
Where you going? Where you going? Alright, you always gotta remember to breathe.
Look at you. They're battle wounds.
Yeah.
Think about it.
I'm proud right now.
I love it. Let's go, baby. Got to get tougher.
Alright, Luke, okay, so here's
It's like football tryouts.
Yeah, I love it.
you gotta push yourself way harder than that.
The first 2 times you fell, I stopped and waited out.
I know. But
You don't have to be scared of nothing except for snakes.
So far
I'm scared of those.
Dude, I thought I saw
Me too. I hate
I saw a
snakes.
snake one time and I jumped like
Ready to go?
You'll get back faster.
it wasn't a snake.
There you
We
go.
still got another 2.5 to go.
what are you gonna do?
When are you gonna do those?
I'm gonna go order us some pizzas, okay?
And we got some push-ups.
Oh, he's already been doing.
Okay, so y'all did what when you got here?
So I did my stretches.
Yep,
I just did my 2.5 mile run,
yep.
and now we're about to go karting.
So what happened when you did your run?
I fell down 10 times
How'd you do that?
because I didn't go on the smooth trail,
So what trail did you go on?
the bumpy trail.
You ended up on the bike trail.
Yeah.
Not the
I thought I was supposed to go on the bike trail.
Yeah, so you got lost, didn't you? What'd you trip over?
Like little wood things on the ground.
Little wood things on the ground?
I would run and then I would just trip over them.
You said you did a front flip.
Yeah, I rolled over.
You good though, aren't you?
Yep. Well, let's
Ready
crank
to
this
rock?
Betty up and let's go.
All 4 tires over top of it.
We want you to go over that and draw a line.
Hold line first, and we'll do brakes and throttle. Okay? Right? Right here, right here.
here. That's our gas. Okay. So we're on the gas right there. We're braking about right here. Okay. About a cart length past that blue box.
Okay.
That's where you brake. Okay.
Killa, what you think, bud?
I got a little tired at the end there.
Yeah.
And I started missing my stuff, my points and stuff. But
Yeah.
head start, we were pretty good. At the end, I got a little tired and
Yeah.
started missing my marks.
Well, you picked up a 1.5 seconds. That's good, right?
Yep.
Yep. So let's take the positives. Let's get a drink of water. Let's look at our film and get back out there, okay?
Peace.
Is so much slower. Okay? So much slower. A lot of that's caused from turning in too soon because you gotta make the apex too sharp.
So don't veer in here. Let it go here. Yep.
Feel out there. Can't be a good one to have. How do you drive an We said you don't want to. He was told that you need to fight the car. You don't need to fight the car. Who? Oh, I thought you said. Oh. Maybe that's not the right terminology.
Don't fight.
What do you see? Two things.
How do you look in turns?
We haven't got that yet. What do you see right there? Two things. What's that play?
Oh, I didn't get the bottom down there.
No.
Like you don't say motor.
Yep. That's one. Okay. He's got a much higher arc, but use it all the way up there. Can't do that much.
I figured that out a little bit. I watched the Bill, Landen, and Kart Training, they're all crashing by me.
Charlotte.
All right, Cam, I'll finish up the day with kart day. How was it, bud?
Well, it was tiring. We got some battle wounds all over me.
Battle wounds? How'd you get battle wounds? Let me see. How'd you get all that?
Well, when I was on my run.
Run, what are you guys good for workout before you practice?
Yep.
Yeah.
2.5 mile run.
Yeah.
And when I went on my run, I went on the bumpy trail.
Yeah.
I didn't go on the smooth trail. So when I ran, I tripped over like 10, 20 times and I scratched up a bunch.
Hey. Kitsy,
What's up?
say hello to Killa Nation.
What's up, Keelan Nation?
How was today, man? Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
We learned a lot and just need to come and do better next time.
That's right. As long as we get better, it's a good day, right?
Yes, sir.
You had a good summer shootout, had a little bit of bad luck, but you were fast.
Yep.
Monday, you were real good, and then got punted, and
Yeah.
that's part of it. But at least you had good speed, and so Kitsy's a big supporter of Killa Cam, and
Peace.